Looking to rejuvenate your benchtop? Dulux Renovation range tiles and benchtops is a revolutionary water-based interior coating that's perfect for rejuvenating your kitchen and laundry benchtop. Same surface, new look. It's easy to apply to the benchtop and provides a beautiful, durable and professional finish at the fraction of the price of buying and installing new benchtops or a kitchen. Dulux Renovation range tiles and benchtops requires a clean surface to adhere. Scrub down with Sally's Sugar Soap. Surfaces need to be squeaky clean, so if they squeak, then you know they're really clean. Remove all silicone sealant from joints on all surfaces using Sally's Silicone Remover. Wash with Sally's Rapid Mold Killer. Rinse with clean water and dry with a clean cloth. Mask is required to ensure you don't paint other surfaces. Open the additive found under the blue lid with the opposite side of the cap. Add all of the additive in the tube to the paint. Stir well for approximately 2 to 5 minutes using an up and down scooping action. Let's head back to the kitchen. Cut in as necessary using a 38 to 50mm high quality angled sash cutter brush with smooth strokes. Coat surface using a 4mm nab 100mm wide microfiber roller. Apply at least 2 coats of Dulux Renovation range tiles and benchtops, ensuring that the previous coat is left for a minimum of 8 hours before recoating. Don't forget to lay off. Once each section is coated, gently go over the surface in the same direction with an unloaded roller using minimal pressure. This will give a smooth, consistent finish. Dulux Renovation range clear coat is durable coating that is peel, flake and stain resistant. Once coated, gently go over the surface in the same direction with an unloaded roller. After 1 week, the benchtop will be suitable for full use. The Dulux Renovation range tiles and benchtop product is tintable to thousands of Dulux colours. Find out more about the range online at dulux.co.nz. Worth doing, worth Dulux.